Are you looking for ways to save money without giving up the things you love? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm here to share some unconventional money-saving hacks that won't require you to sacrifice your lifestyle. Saving money doesn't have to mean living frugally or sacrificing the things that you love. Over the years, I've discovered unconventional methods that allowed me to save significantly without compromising my lifestyle. Here's my story of how I managed to cut costs by finding creative alternatives and making small changes that added up long-term to substantial savings. 1. Embracing minimalism. Embracing a minimalist lifestyle played a pivotal role in my financial transformation. I decluttered my living space, selling unused items online for extra income. This purge not only cleared physical space but also freed me from the burden of consumerism. As I minimized material possessions, I discovered the joy of experiences over possessions, redirecting my resources towards meaningful adventures like hiking trips and cultural outings. 2. Cooking adventures. I've always loved dining out, but I realized how much money I could save by cooking at home. To make it exciting, I turned cooking into a hobby. I experimented with new recipes and learned to make restaurant-quality meals. Bulk buying staples like grains, legumes, and seasonal produce significantly slashed my grocery bills. Meal prepping on weekends ensured that I always had nutritious, budget-friendly meals ready, eliminating the temptation of expensive takeout. Not only did I save money on dining expenses, but I also discovered a passion for culinary arts. 3. DIY everything. Instead of hiring professionals for home repairs or improvements, I learned to DIY. From basic plumbing fixes to refurbishing old furniture, YouTube became my go-to resource for learning new skills. By doing things myself, I saved a significant amount on labor costs and gained a sense of accomplishment. 4. Alternative transportation. My approach to transportation also underwent a revolutionary change. Instead of owning a car, I embraced the convenience of biking and public transit. Selling my car eliminated hefty expenses like insurance, maintenance, and fuel. Biking not only saved money on commuting but also doubled as a form of exercise, improving my health and reducing healthcare costs. Public transit became an opportunity to engage with my community, fostering a sense of belonging and reducing my carbon footprint. 5. Subscription audit. I took a close look at my subscription services and realized I was paying substantial amount of money for services I rarely used. By canceling unused subscriptions like streaming services, mobile phone apps and magazine subscriptions, I trimmed unnecessary expenses. I kept only those that truly added value to my life. 6. Embracing second-hand. Rather than buying everything brand new, I began exploring second-hand options. Thrift stores became treasure troves for unique clothing and home decor items. I also joined online platforms for swapping items like books and electronics, allowing me to save money and reduce waste. 7. Cashback and Rewards. I started using cashback and rewards programs for everyday purchases. By using credit cards that offered cashback on groceries and gas, I earned money while spending responsibly. I also joined loyalty programs at stores I frequented, which often resulted in discounts and freebies. 8. Negotiating everything. I discovered the power of negotiation. From lowering my internet bill by threatening to switch providers to negotiating rent increases, I realized that many expenses are negotiable. By being assertive and willing to walk away, I secured better deals and kept more money in my pocket. 9. Mindful entertainment. My approach to leisure transformed when I discovered the world of community sharing platforms instead of spending on pricey entertainment options. Instead of buying books, movies, or tools, I explored free or low-cost alternatives. I attended community events, visited local museums on free admission days, and enjoyed outdoor activities like hiking and picnicking. These resources provided access to a vast array of items without the financial commitment of ownership, reinforcing the notion that experiences matter more than possessions. Perhaps the most unconventional aspect of my money-saving journey was embracing the concept of conscious consumerism. I prioritized ethical and sustainable products, opting for quality over quantity. By investing in durable items that minimized waste and embodied timeless design, I reduced long-term expenses associated with replacements and repairs. In retrospect, my unconventional money-saving methods have not only fortified my financial well-being but have also enriched my life with purpose and fulfillment. By reimagining traditional notions of leisure, transportation, and consumption, I've cultivated a lifestyle that is both financially prudent and deeply gratifying. Through these transformative experiences, I've learned that saving money doesn't have to entail sacrifice. Rather, it can pave the way for a more intentional and fulfilling existence. Saving money doesn't have to be a daunting task that requires drastic lifestyle changes. By adopting unconventional approaches and making mindful choices, I managed to significantly increase my savings without sacrificing the quality of my life. Whether it's embracing minimalism, cooking at home, or exploring alternative transportation, there are numerous ways to trim costs and achieve financial goals while living a fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment or share this video and subscribe to this channel about personal finance and investing.